Hello, myself Rupal, CSO at BPX, a business process consulting company, and today we are discussing business excellence in the oil, gas, and energy sector with SAP Signavio. In the dynamic landscape of oil, gas, and energy sector, achieving operational excellence is pivotal. At the heart of successful companies lies a robust OMS, that is Operations Management System, that defines business processes and ensures compliance and performance monitoring. SAP Signavio is a comprehensive solutions suite which plays a key role in shaping these processes and driving continuous improvement. Here are specific scenarios where SAP Signavio proves invaluable. At number 4, continuous improvement programs. Many OG&E companies have established continuous improvement initiatives, yet most lack comprehensive data for informed decision-making. Signavio's process mining capabilities identifies process weaknesses, enabling targeted improvements. It facilitates collaborative process design, ensuring efficiency and effectiveness, and monitors performance post-implementation, uncovering new enhancement opportunities. At number 3, ERP implementation projects. ERP implementations demand meticulous attention to business processes. Signavio aligns organizations by establishing common objectives and KPIs. It offers a collaborative platform for designing enhanced processes, mitigating risk, and reduce costs associated with ERP projects. Furthermore, it aids change management, ensuring smooth transition and higher adoption rates. More so, it reduces the chances of failure of ERP implementation. At number 2, ISO program and compliance management. Digitalization is transforming ISO programs. Signavio facilitates the design and monitoring of ISO significant processes, ensuring compliance and conformance. It provides a digital trail aiding analysis and alerting internal audit staff to violations. Compliance reporting becomes seamless, demonstrating adherence to standard processes. At number 1, focused process improvement. Specific performance issues often stem from underlying process inefficiencies. Signavio's applications diagnose current processes, identify the weak points, and support the design of enhanced processes and controls. It continues post-improvement, assessing project success and revealing further optimization possibilities. To conclude, whether seeking a holistic data-driven business process management approach or addressing localized performance challenges, SAP Signavio equips organizations with the tools, methodologies needed to streamline their approach to manage their business efficiently. So if you are an oil, gas, or energy sector company, what are you waiting for? Have you implemented SAP Signavio yet? If you are facing any challenges with implementation of SAP Signavio, do put them in the chat box and we'll try to answer them all. I hope you're enjoying our videos. Thank you and keep watching.